Welcome to today's financial news update from quantbyte.io. Treasury prices surged higher in recent market activity, resulting in a significant rebound after a minor decline in the prior session. Soybean prices have declined by 16 to 17 cents as of midday, with the national average cash bean price dropping to $9.30 due to weaker demand. Soy meal futures also fell, down 90 cents to $1.80 in the front months, while deliveries against October contracts reached a total of 18, 9 additional on top of previously reported 9. WTI crude oil futures have dropped by 3.79% and RBOB gasoline has fallen by 3.09%. Both commodities have hit new lows, with crude oil at its lowest in 5 months and gasoline at a 4.5-year low due to downward market pressures. U.S. stock market indices experience losses, with the S&P 500 down 0.8%, Dow Jones Industrials down 0.88% and Nasdaq 100 down 1.89%. The U.S. dollar index fell by 0.25% as T-note yields declined following dovish comments from Federal Reserve Governor Christopher Waller, who expressed openness to potential quarter-point interest rate cuts. The dollar's pressure was also exacerbated by the strong performance of the stock market. The U.S. stock market indexes saw gains today, with the S&P 500 rising by 0.32% and the Dow Jones Industrials increasing by 0.52%. The Nasdaq 100 also rose, although at a slightly lower rate of 0.3%. Cotton prices have declined sharply, falling between 70 and 81 points. This drop follows losses across most futures contracts, with front months down by 42 to 44 points. The expiration of the October contract has also contributed to this decline. Additionally, the U.S. dollar index has strengthened, reaching $99.150, while crude oil prices have decreased by $1.03 per barrel. The wheat market is experiencing weakness, with the complex showing mixed results. Winter wheats are declining in value, while CBT soft red wheat futures have fallen by 1.25 cents. Meanwhile, preliminary open interest has increased by 10,762 contracts. Johnson & Johnson stock has caught the attention of 17 out of 25 top-performing hedge funds in recent 13F filings. The fact that multiple influential investors are holding on to Johnson & Johnson suggests significant interest and potential growth prospects for the company. Lean hog futures are experiencing losses, with prices ranging from a 15-cent to 55-cent decline. The CME Lean Hog Index dropped by 62 cents, settling at $100.08 on October 8. Meanwhile, the USDA's national base hog price was reported at $96.91. Cotton futures have declined by 55 to 64 points due to the expiration of October contracts. The U.S. dollar index has decreased by $0.525 to $98.760. Crude oil prices have also fallen by $2.55 per barrel, dipping below the $60 mark. Live cattle futures declined by 85 to 95 cents on Friday, with October contracts increasing by 72 cents. There were no deliveries for October live cattle on Thursday, and cash trade remains sluggish nationwide. Cocoa prices continue to decline, with December ICE New York cocoa falling by 78 points, 1.31%, and London cocoa No. 7 decreasing by 42 points, 1%. The slump extends into a second week, with New York cocoa reaching its lowest level in 20 months. The ongoing pressure on cocoa prices is attributed to market concerns stemming from the governments of the Ivory Coast and Ghana's decision to impose export limits. The wheat complex is experiencing losses, with CBT soft red wheat and KCHRW futures declining by 7 to 9 cents and 6 to 7 cents, respectively. Preliminary open interest increased by 10,762 contracts. The corn market has fallen by 3 to 4.5 cents, with the national average cash price decreasing to $3.71 one quarter due to spillover pressure from significant losses in the bean market. Stay informed with quantbyte.io for the latest financial news.